Welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video. This time I don't want to show you a special lick or a pattern. It's just learning to see octaves and use them to repeat an idea through the octaves. Makes the listener follow you and you can easily spread an idea. Octaves on the guitar sitting like this. If I have a G here, 2 frets up, 2 strings down, because of the different tuned B string and the offset, 3 frets up and 2 strings down, the next G. All within the reach. It's also good to realize that the correlation between those 3 strings is the same for those 3 strings. But let's stick to the first 3 strings, the low E string, the D string and the B string, because the roots we find there we use as orientation marks for building up ideas and move them through the octaves. The correlation between those 2 strings, E and A, D and G, and B and E is a perfect fourth. If we take these octaves as orientation marks, we can move the same patterns through the octaves. If I, for example, play an arpeggio on these 2 strings, G minor, I can play 2 strings up and 2 frets up, the same 1 octave higher. And then again in the next octave. Or if I have a lick like this, I can repeat it here and here. Or a shredding lick. Pretty cool. You're pushing yourself out of that box thinking. You always leave the box, you're not staying in the position. Furthermore, you can develop an idea. You can repeat it through the octaves, and that's a very cool thing to get the listener attracted. You get a grip on him. I hope I could encourage you to do that. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'm looking forward to see you next time.